Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach schema markup. Schema markup, which is nothing but a search engine understand what is the page content. Okay, when you do the SEO, so the schema markup is very important stuff. Okay, when your site become first page on Google, you must study this schema markup well. Okay, so here you can see that simple definition of schema markup. The code used at the web pages to help search engine understand the page content more clearly. Okay, if you have any website, what is the website? Okay, so what is the website? What is the what is the niche of your website? Okay, Google understand this is the content you are doing. Okay, this is the blog you are doing. Okay, so you have to tell them the search engine, these are the things we are doing to the search engine very clearly. So that is the thing we have to tell them, the simple code we have to that's a simple code known as schema markup. Okay, I hope you can understand that. Okay, very simple. You have to tell them what is the page content. This is the this is this page is relevant to education. So this, you have to tell them the search engine, this page is uh, based on education. So you have to tell them the simple one for like that. Okay, this scheme. So how to add the schema? So how to add the schema means, so this is a simple site. So you can go to that. Simple, you are go to Google and type uh, Gemini. Simple, you can type Gemini. So Gemini, you have to go to the Gemini and you can tell them this is your website. This is your website. You can tell them here. I need to. Uh, you can put the site URL and can tell I give me a. You can tell give me a relevant schema markup. Schema markup. Okay, give me the relevant schema markup of this web page. Click on it. Okay, so you can see what are the schema we need. All the schema will be displayed over here. Okay, first, if it is displayed, don't just copy and paste it right away. Okay, that don't do that one. First you have to go through that one. It is everything, it will be writing without any error. You have to tell the errors, whether it's here SMI is called higher education institute and dedicate to provide the proper qualification and business combination. These all the things are correct. Okay, so here you can see the Facebook, LinkedIn, all the things, Facebook pages. Okay, this pages you have to give the correct LinkedIn. This all the pages, if you have, you can tell them the pages names. Okay, so this is the knowledge about my. Okay, these are the correct. Okay, this is a website. Okay, so these are the content you have to you have to just go through here. Okay, this is called as a first one. We have to call it as a organization schema. This is called as the education organization schema. The schema, there are different kind of schemas available. Here second one, the only one schema is attached. If you need another one is a FAQ. I need a I need to I need the FAQ. If you just put FAQ, it provides the FAQ schema as well. Okay, this is FAQ. Okay, that 3, if it is displayed 10, don't take too much of schema file. 3 will be enough. Okay, it is overload. Okay, so the simple codes. The questions, you can see, you go to the question. What are the fields of studies does schema SMIT offer? SMIT offer the comprehensive range of professional certification and diploma programming across the diploma across the key demand fields. Okay, so that okay, so that is the things. Okay, so that's the simple FAQ section. This must include that. when you put the things. This is the very important stuff. These two schema files for in the index page, this index page. So this both I need to include my block. So you can tell them I need to merge this. I need to add this. I need to add this both add into one file for add for scheme schema add for schema into my web page. If you tell them clearly, what happen is so that the both code it should be added. Okay. Everything is there. Okay. So you just copy this file. So how to add the schema into the web page? We'll see. Now this schema I'm going to add to my website. Before add this website, so copy this schema. Okay. So I'm going to go to that schema validator. You can type schema validator. You can type the schema validator. Okay. So we are typing this one schema validator. This one. This tool as well as another two. We have two different tools. We can check here whether we can check this tool as well. Schema validator rich text, rich result. This one. Okay. Here you can type schema validator rich result. Okay. Here this you can put it the code over here. Test the code. Go to here as well. Code's name. Paste it over here. Test the code. Okay. Here there is no error of this code. Here this is the schema. Okay, there's no warnings. The two items added, no problem. If there is any error, you will be able to solve it. So here also we don't have, you don't need any deduction page errors. Okay. So what happen is it is success. So I'm going to go to my dashboard, where WordPress dashboard. Okay. So if you are not installed the plugin, you must install the plugin which is schema structure data WP. You have to install this plugin, schema structure data for WP. You can install this plugin in order to add the schema into WordPress. After add this plugin, you have to go to that post store. If you have any post, you can if you have any blog page, if you have post, you can go to the post page. At the moment we have pages only. So go to the all pages, select your respective pages. So I'm going to add the schema into my home page. So I have created the schema for my home page. So don't click edit with the Elementor. You can type you can click normal edit mode. Okay, WordPress edit mode you can select. Okay, so if you select, you can see the option which is a custom schema here below that home page. Here you can see, click on it here, you can edit here. What is the copy? This one you can edit here. Schema, that's the thing you have to edit. You can see update, this page is updated. Okay, this is how we can add the schema. Okay, this is the we can add the schema to a web page. Okay, after add the schema, you can this web page you can select here also you can check it whether schema is added successfully or not. Here also that you will be able to check it. Now you can go to, don't go to skip, you can check it over here as well. Okay, here. Okay, so that it's no error, so that you can see, check it. Web page is the FAQ here, organization is no error. So you can check out over here as well. Rich data also you can check the schema file URL. You can go and copy this URL and paste on it over here. Okay, so you have to validate the schema, both whether the schema is working successfully. And here it's validated here the FAQ validated. You can check it over here. You can see here everything it's working. So preview the result. Here it's added the schema files, the schema, so how the schemas works. Okay, so okay, you will be able to see the schema. Okay, that is very important stuff. Search console, so you can search console, so you can simply you can check right this schema. You will be able to add the schema look like this. Okay, okay, this is how you can add the schema. Okay, the schema plugin, if you don't know how to install that, you can go to here. After add the schema, you can go here. Here you can see that plugins, install plugins, add plugins. Here you can type schema. This is the here, this is the plugin I have created. This is the schema plugin. Okay, so you can, okay, don't install this all the things. Okay, you can install this schema file. Okay, that's the important stuff. This how we have activate the schema. Okay, this how we have activate the schema. Thank you for watching.